Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Maham Khalid and today's tutorial is all about inheritance. So let's begin by finding out basically what inheritance is. Inheritance can be defined as the process where one class acquires the properties, methods and fields of another. The class which inherits the properties of the other is known as subclass, derived class, child class. The class whose properties are inherited is known as superclass, base class or a parent class. The keyword that is used to represent inheritance is extend. Extend is the keyword used to inherit the properties of a class. Below given is the syntax of extend keyword. In order to demonstrate inheritance, we have simply created a class animal that is being extended by the class bird and dog. And here is our main. And simply as we run the program, we can see that the class dog and bird has adopted or inherited the methods of the class animal. Thanks for watching. I hope so this video will prove beneficial for you.